A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Let us start. So what I have for you today is we are going to learn few sentences, or rather we are going to try to say a few sentences which we have learned yesterday. We learned the new lesson, and on the lesson, so very close to the learn new lesson, if we are able to finish a significant portion of it, we do a Kahoot quiz inshallah. Okay, so it's going to be a revision. And it's going to be very easy. So let's see who can translate these sentences. So the sentences are: the fire is hot. I want, let me make this cold water. I want cold water. Hot water is in the kitchen. The weather is cold. The water is hot. Okay, so all of this are either related to something being hot or something being cold. So let's see if we can make these sentences. So how do we say the fire is hot?
Al-narun harun.
Al-narun harun.
Al-narun haru.
Okay. Any other answers? Who has another answer? An-narun haru has two mistakes. Who can correct them? And with an, you, if you have noon with a lam, you will skip the lam. Okay, so you will say an-najm, you will say an-nawm, la ta'khusnatu wa la nawm. Okay, so with noon you skip the lam, so you say an-nawm. That's how you read the noon. So an-narun haru has two mistakes. How do you say the man is tall? Who can guess this answer? The man is, rajulun is man. Rajulun is a man. Okay, but how do we say the man? Satya, how do we say the man?
Ar-rajulun.
No, we do not say rajulun. How do we say the man, Zahan? Hifsa, how do we say the man? अफीफा, वो आदमी कैसे बोलता है? एक आदमी है रजुलन, वो वाला आदमी कैसे बोलता है? आदमी, कोई आदमी, वो कैसे बोलता है?
Second person should be ar-rajulun only.
No, it is not ar-rajulun. It is ar-rajulu, guys. When you put al, rajulun will become ar-rajulu. Talibun would become at-talibu. Kitabun would become al-kitabu. Okay, so when you put al, you do not have you don't have ar-rajulun, it becomes ar-rajulu. How do we say tall?
Tawilu.
Tawilu? There's one mistake here as well. Who can catch it?
Awilun.
Tawilun. There's no al here. Ar-rajulu tawilun means the man is tall. Now, the fire is hot. An-narun haru, there are two mistakes. Who can catch it?
We al-naru harun.
Very good. So it's going to be an-naru harun. With noon, you skip the lam. So you say an-naru harun. Walaikum assalam. So we have Shazia in the class? No.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Sidra in the class. Okay. How do we say I want cold water? How do we say I want first?
Uridu.
Okay, very good. So Uridu, you've solved a major portion of it. So Uridu is I want. How do I say cold water? How do we say water? Who remembers water? We saw it yesterday.
Baridun.
Baridun is cold. How do we say?
Ma'a. Ma'a is water. So it should be Uridu Ma'a Baridun.
It has to be ma'an because there's no al. So it has to be Uridu ma'an baridun. Why is it ma'an and not ma'un? Because Uridu is verb. Okay, so I want. Who wants I want? That is there in the Hamza. So Uridu is I want. What do I want? I want cold water. Cold water is detailed, so it becomes ma'an. Ar-rajulu tawilun, there's no verb here. The man is tall. The man is being tall. There's no verb here. Okay. Hot water is in the kitchen.
Al-Ma'u Al-Harru Fi
P.
I don't know what's for kitchen.
Tabakh is dish. Tabakha is he cooked. Yatbakhu is he cooks. So what do we say for the place of cooking? We say
Tabakha?
matbakh. Matbakh is the place of cooking. So it's matbakh. Now what's going to be the ending harakat? So I have alma, I have alhar, and I have fi al matbakh. Is it going to be
Matbakhi.
Fil matbakhi? Because why matbakhi? Why not matbakha or matbakhu? Because of fi. After fi we will have kasra. So fil matbakhi means in the kitchen. So that these are connected. So fil matbakhi. Now alma and har, is it going to be alma a or is it going to be alma u?
Al-Ma'u.
Alma, why? Because it's a subject. So how do we say hot water is in the kitchen?
Al-Ma'u Al-Harru Fil Matbakhi.
Al-ma'ul haru fil matbakhi. Al-ma'ul haru fil matbakhi. How do we say I want cold water?
Uridu Ma'an Baridun.
Very good. Uridu ma'an baridan. How do we say the man is tall?
Ar-Rajulu Tawilun.
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 How do we say the fire is hot?
An-Naru Harun.
This actually has to be harratun. Because fire, nar is feminine. So it has to be an-naru harratun. Because fire, by virtue of fire, so the Arab said it has to be feminine. So we'll say an-naru harratun, an-naru baridatun. Okay. How do we say hot water is in the kitchen?
Al-Ma'u Al-Harru Fil Matbakhi.
Very good. Hot water is in the kitchen is al-ma'ul haru fil matbakhi. How do we say I want cold water?
Uridu ma'an baridun.
Uridu Ma'an Baridun.
Baridan. Why? Because cold is adjective. It is cold water. So when you say ma'an, you have to say baridan. Again, how do we say I want cold water?
Uridu Ma'an Baridan.
Very good. Uridu ma'an baridan. How do we say I want hot water?
Uridu
Uridu
Uridu Ma'ul Haru.
An-Haru.
Harar.
Okay, both of you give your answers. So Sadia and Zahan. Did I hear you as well, Hifza? I'm not sure. So I heard Sadia and Zahan. for sure.
Uridu ma'an.
Uridu
Harun.
ma'an.
Harun.
Harun. Okay, Sadia.
Uridu Uridu ma'ul haru. No, uridu ma'u harun. Haran.
Uridu. So Zahan said Uridu ma'an Harun.
Uridu ma'u haran.
Uridu ma'u Harun.
Second.
This is your answer, Sadia. Uridu ma'u Harun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hifza, what is your answer? Is it the first, second, or no? It's something else.
Uridu ma'an Harun.
Okay, so first one. Uridu ma'an Harun.
Yes.
Okay. This is I want hot water. The answer is none of these two. The first one, this is wrong. Okay, and with the second one, this is wrong. So what's the correct answer?
Sacrifice should be Uridu ma'a
Ma'an
Haran.
Harun.
Uridu ma'a Harun.
Haran.
Ma'an.
Will it be uridu ma'an haran?
Yes, it has to be ma'an. See, there are two main cases why ma'an will become al-ma'a. Who can tell me? Who can remember the cases where ma'an will become al-ma'a? And then we'll try to memorize this. Okay, but first we'll try to understand why we have this and how do you catch mistakes. So ma'an, in what cases would I make it as okay? In what cases would it become al-ma'a? Or in what cases will it become ma'a? I've already told you one answer. In what cases does ma'an become ma'a? In what case do I take out the double fatha and do I make it singular? Sadia. When do I take ma'an like two fathas and I remove one? First is with al. So ma'an, if I put an al, I'll take out the double and I'll put it single. What's the second one? We know another rule where the double becomes singular. Think of how do we say the book of Hamid? Sadia. How do I say the book of Hamid?
Abu Hamidin. Al-Kitabu Hamidin.
Al-Kitabu. Al-Kitabu, what was the answer?
Al-Kitabu Hamidin.
You are making one mistake.
Kitabu Hamid.
Very good. When you have this off pattern, the first word does not take the al. How do you know the word is before off? If you look at a word like this, where there's no al, okay, but it has single harakat, there's no reason for it to be single. Most likely, it's going to be before off. It's going to be like this. Kitabu Hamid. Okay. There's no reason for it to be Kitabu. It has to be Kitabun ideally because there's no al. The reason why it is Kitabu is because it is before off. Now, what's the second reason why ma'an can be ma'a?
Because of fi.
No, it'll be if I say the fly is in the water, I'll say fi ma'in or fil ma'i. Fi does not change the harakat. Fi just Fi, if there's double fatha, it will become double kasra. So I'll say fi ma'in. Or if it is al ma'a, I'll say fi al ma'i. Fi just takes whatever is there and it makes it kasra. That's all that fi does. The second is before of. So if I say water of Hamid, how will I say water of Hamid? Hifza, how do I say water of Hamid? It is
Ma'a Hamid.
Ma'a Hamid, or in this case, it's a subject. Water of Hamid is on the table. So I'll say Ma'u Hamidin.
Right, Saqib Chacha? Or it is wrong?
So it's Ma'u Hamidin. Well, because it's subject, so I'll say Ma'u Hamidin. Okay. How do I say I want cold water?
Uridu ma'an haran.
So that is I want hot water.
Uridu ma'an baridan.
Baridun.
Baridan.
Baridan. Uridu Ma'an Baridan. How do I say the man is tall?
Ar-rajulu tawilun.
Very good. Ar-rajulu tawilun. How do I say the fire is hot?
Al-naru.
An-naru haratun. An-naru haratun.
An-naru harun.
Haratun.
Haratun.
Haratun. You told us
Naru
haratun.
haratun. How do I say the book of Hamid?
Kitabu Hamid.
Hamidan, Hamidin, Hamidun.
Din.
How do I say the book of Hamid?
Kitabu Hamidin.
Abu Hamidin. The man is tall.
Ar-rajulu tawilun.
Ar-rajulu tawilun. Very good. How do we say Hifza? I want hot water.
Uridu ma'an haran.
Very good. Uridu ma'an haran. How do I say hot water is in the kitchen?
Al-ma'ul haru
Ma'ul haru
fil
fil
matbakhi.
matbakhi.
Very good. Al-ma'ul haru fil matbakhi. Another rule, which you can take it as a rule of grammar, but it should come automatically to you know. The starting of a sentence will always have al. Okay, so I'll always say al-ma'u al-haru. Almost in all cases, where I have a noun at the starting of the sentence, like hot water, here is the starting of the sentence. It starts with the subject. You'll always have al. Okay, in almost all cases. So I can say the hot water, or I can say Sadia. Sadia is in the room attending the class. So Sadia is definite. I can use a pronoun. I can say she is in the room. Okay, which is also definite because I'm talking about her. But if I say student is in the class, it doesn't make sense. So I have to say the student is in the class because I'm speaking about the student. Okay, so that's another clue. But you have to use al. How do I say the weather is cold? Who remembers how do we say the weather?
Al-jamun baridun.
Al-jawu baridun. So it is al-jawu. So al-jawu. How do we say cold? Baridun. Very good, because jawu is masculine. Nar is the only feminine. So nar is like an exception, where nar, although it doesn't look like feminine, it is feminine. So the weather is cold is al-jawu baridun. How do we say the weather is hot?
Al-jawu naru. Nar.
Jawu harun. How do we say cold water is in the kitchen?
Al-ma'ul baridu fil matbakhi.
Al-ma'ul baridu is cold water. Okay, cold water in the kitchen is al-ma'ul baridu fil matbakhi. Very good. How do I say I want cold water?
Uridu ma'an baridan.
Very good. Uridu ma'an baridan. How do we say the fire is hot?
An-naru haratun. Haratun.
Annaru haratun. Very good. So we've learned hot and cold. Now we'll start the lesson. So if you are able to do this quick, inshallah we do Kahoot. Okay. Otherwise we stop early. So let's see how it goes. How do we say the people gathered? To those who try doing the homework, how do they say the people gathered? The people all got together.
Ijtama an-nasu.
Nasu.
Very good. Ijtama an nasu is the people gathered. And they said, what shall we do? How do we say, and they said?
Waqalu nafalu.
Qalu nafalu.
Waqalu naf'alu. Naf'alu means we will do or we shall do.
Waqalu is and they said.
And they said. Naf'alu is we do or we are doing. How do we say, what shall we do? How do we say what as a question?
Maza.
Maza
Maza asna as.
Nafa.
Mata
nafalu.
naf'alu. Okay. So instead of what shall we do, it would rather be what do we do. Say what do we do now? We'd say mata nafalu. What shall we do now? Okay. So either it's what shall we do or what do we do. So what's this answer? The people gathered and they said, what shall we do?
Ijtama an-nasu waqalu maza nafalu.
Very good. Anil Nati knows the answer. Ijtama nasu wa qalu mata naf'alu. What is the answer, Sadia?
Ijtama nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. Ijtama nasu wa qalu mata naf'alu. What is the answer, Zahan?
Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. Hifza?
اغتم الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. It is ijtama nasu wa qalu mata naf'alu. Afifa, क्या तुम बोल सकते हो आंसर?
Nasu
Sakib, I'm not able to hear you.
No, I'm trying to write the answer.
Even I'm not able.
Afifa, ijtama nasu wa qalu mata naf'alu. Has to be ijtama.
Can I say something?
Yes, Adnan. What is the answer?
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. Ijtama nasu wa qalu mata naf'alu. Afifa, तुम्हारी बारी है. तुम्हें try करना है. तुम mute पे हो. And Sidra, you can also try if you can unmute yourself.
Yes.
हाँ, तो क्या है आंसर? इज्तमा
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. फिर से?
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل. Sidra, do you want to try? Or Hazik, do you want to try?
Sakshi bhai, I was not there for the last class, so I'm not sure.
No problem. This is your lesson. So this is the answer. So the people gathered and they said, what shall we do? This is the answer on the screen. You can still try to memorize it.
Okay, Sakshi bhai.
You want to try reading this? Hazik, do you want to try?
Yes, Sakibaya. اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. Try again.
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل. So like I said, with noon you skip the lam. Okay, so it becomes ijtama an nasu. So So you skip the lam. Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. Now try Hazik without saying. The people gathered and they said, what shall we do?
اجتمع الناس وقالوا هذا
Naf'alu. Madha naf'alu.
يفعل
Naf'alu, because the people said, what shall we do? Naf'alu is we do. Yaf'alu is he does. Or he is doing. Okay, so yaf'alu is he does. We take out the ya, we put no, it becomes we do. Good, Hazik. Very good. So ijtama nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. And we'll go to the next one. The easy part is Ibrahim broke the idols. Okay, so the name of the lesson is Man Kasar al-Asnama. That was the previous lesson. Who broke the idols? Ibrahim broke the idols. How do we say this?
Ibrahima kasar al-asnama.
Ibrahima Kasar al-Asnama has one mistake.
Ibrahima Hatamal Asnama.
Who can catch the mistake? Ibrahima Kasar al-Asnama has one mistake.
Kasara Ibrahimul Asnama.
Come again, Zahan.
Kasaral Ibrahimul Asnama.
No, you are adding one more mistake. What you said now has two mistakes, one on top of the previous one.
Is it Ibrahimu?
Yes, it is Ibrahimu. Why it's Ibrahimu?
The subject.
Because it is subject. Okay. So if we say that, look, he spoke to whom? He spoke to Ibrahim. He asked whom? He asked Ibrahim. So in that case, it will be Ibrahima. What shall we do to Ibrahim? So what shall we do? So we become subject. To whom? To Ibrahim. So that's why you use Ibrahima. But here, Ibrahim broke. It is a subject. What's the correct answer? Ibrahim broke the idols.
Ibrahimu kasar al-asnama.
Very good. Ibrahimu Kasar al-Asnama. Or Sahan, your answer would be Kasara Ibrahimu al-Asnama. Okay. But Kasara can come either first or second, it doesn't matter. It has to be Ibrahimu. Al-Ibrahimu is wrong. You cannot add al in front of Ibrahim because Ibrahim is already a name. You cannot add another al to make it definite. Ibrahim by itself is definite. So Kasara Ibrahimu al-Asnama. And he insulted our gods. How do we say he insulted? And how do we
Ahana
Alihatina.
Wa'ahana?
Ahana Alihatina.
There is one mistake with Alihatina. So Ahana, what's the meaning of Ahana, Zahan?
Spoke. Sorry, insulted.
Insulted. He insulted is Ahana. Ali Na has one mistake. It has to be Ali Na. Why Ali Na?
Because Wahana is male or
Just because this is detailed. The previous lesson had who did this with our gods, meaning who took our gods and beat them up, broke them up. So there we had B Alihatina. Okay, that we had B, which takes the Alihatana, and it makes this T. Okay, so that's why we had B Alihatina, but here there's no B. So it has to be Alihatana, because this is a detail. So if he said, how do we say, he insulted the water. How do we say he insulted the water?
Ahana Al-Ma'a.
Al-Ma'a, because this is detailed, so it has to be Al-Ma'a. Okay, he insulted what? He insulted the water. So Ahana Al-Ma'a. Now who can tell me the full answer? Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods.
Ibrahimu Kasara
Kasar al-asnama.
Alihatana.
Good. So I think both Zahan and Alina take the correct answer. Let us have someone else also try. So the answer is, like both of you said, Ibrahimu kasar al asnama wa ahana alihatana. Sadia, what's the answer?
Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. Ibrahimu kasar al asnama wa ahana alihatana. What is the answer, Hifza?
Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. Ibrahimu kasar al asnama wa ahana alihatana. Now, who can guess this question? The people gathered and they said, "What shall we do?"
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. What is this answer, Adnan? The people gathered and they said, "What shall we do?"
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Very good. Who can tell me this answer? Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods.
إبراهيم كسر الأصنام
Ibrahimu kasar al-asnama wa
ahana
alihatina. Bi alihatana.
Oh, there's no B. He insulted our gods. If you say B alihatina, it means he insulted with our gods. Means he insulted with someone. With our gods, he insulted someone else. Okay, but here we want to make alihatana the detail. So we just keep it alihatana. We don't add a B. So Ibrahimu kasar al-asnama wa ahana alihatana. So I think Zahan made a small mistake. Adnan and Sadia, I think, got it correct. Okay. And they asked, what is Ibrahim's punishment? Asked is what we know. Punishment is the only new word. Let us see who can guess this. How do we say and they asked?
وسأل الناس.
وَسَأَلَ النَّاسُ is the people asked, but how do I just say they asked? Pronoun.
Laqad sa'alu.
Sa'alu. If I say sa'alu, it means they asked. So sa'ala becomes sa'alu. They asked. Laqad sa'alu means for sure. Indeed, definitely they asked. That is laqad. So laqad is optional. If I added laqad on top. So what is sa'ala?
Sa'alu.
Okay, so we have sa'alu, but what is sa'ala?
Asked.
He asked. He asked is sa'ala. They asked. Many people asked is sa'alu. Okay, so sa'alu is what we want. They asked. What is Ibrahim's punishment?
Punishment is akhwataha.
With the lesson, there's a different word for punishment. It's a lot.
Ma ikhabul Ibrahima.
Very good. Ma iqabu Ibrahim. Ma iqabu
إبراهيم.
Ibrahim.
So it should be sa'alu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Very good. Wasa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahim. Now, what is the answer to this question?
Ijtama nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu.
Nasu wa qala maza naf'alu.
Okay. So here we are saying ma ta naf'alu. What is the word for what?
Ma.
What is Ibrahim's punishment is ma iqabu Ibrahima. First sentence, what's the meaning of this sentence? Ma ta naf'alu.
What shall we do?
What shall we do? Where is what?
The starting. Maza.
Mother. Now, what is the meaning of mother?
What?
What's the meaning of ma?
What?
What? What's the difference between ma and mother? What's the meaning of the first sentence? Mata nafalu.
Maza.
So, nafalu. Mata nafalu. What's the meaning of this sentence?
Mata comes before a verb.
Very good. Mata comes before a verb. So what's the meaning of the first sentence?
What shall we do?
What shall we do? So we want to do something. We are doing something. What shall we do? Is this a noun or a verb? This is verb. What shall we do? So it's we want to do something. We are doing something. This is a verb. Nafalu. Is this a present tense verb or a past tense verb?
It is
Present tense.
Present tense, because it starts with na. So naf'alu, af'alu, yaf'alu, taf'alu are all present tense verbs. It starts with na. Okay. So fa'ala is he did. Yaf'alu is he does. So yaf'alu is he does. Naf'alu is we do. So mata naf'alu. This is a verb, so we use mada. What's the meaning of ma? Iqabu Ibrahima.
Pardon?
Come again, Zahan.
Pardon?
Ma iqabu Ibrahima is what is punishment. So iqabu means punishment. What is Ibrahim's punishment? What is punishment of Ibrahim? So this is the off rule. So ma iqabu. Iqabu is before off. So I don't say al iqabu. I don't say iqabun. It becomes iqabu. Iqabu Ibrahima. Ibrahima is after off. It is a non-Arab name, so I cannot put kasra. I have to put fatha. Ma iqabu Ibrahima is what is punishment of Ibrahim. Okay. Punishment, is it a verb or a noun? It is not, because what is punishment of Ibrahim? What is hobby of Ibrahim? What is the profession of Ibrahim? These are all nouns, because he's not doing any action. So if I say Ibrahim plays football, plays, he's doing the act of playing, so it is a verb. But iqabu, what is Ibrahim's punishment? This is a noun, so I use ma. How do I say how is this? Or what do I say what is this? So let us say that,
Sahib, ma and maza is what, is it?
yes,
Both
so
are
mada
what?
is used with verb. So this is a verb. I use mada. This is a noun. I use ma. That's the only difference. Ma and mada both means what.
Okay.
So if I see Adnan having egg, okay, so Adnan has a bullseye, and I ask Adnan, what is this? How do I say, what is this? What is this, Adnan? How do I say what? Do I say ma or do I say mata?
Maza.
Come again?
Maza.
Mahaza.
No, I say mahata because this is noun. There's no action. I say mahata. How do I say what are you eating? How do I say what are you eating?
Maza takulu.
Mata takulu. Why am I using mata?
Because what?
Because it's a verb.
It's a verb. What
Because
eating?
Adnan is
It's a
eating.
verb.
So I ask Adnan, what are you
Eating is
eating?
a
Adnan
verb.
is eating. Eating is an action. So I say
Eating is a
mata
verb.
takulu.
Sakib Chacha, by the way, what is that annotation there?
This is verb.
No,
And
the
this-
annotation.
Yeah,
No,
Kabu
near
is-
what is this?
Yes. So what is this? Is mahada. What is this? Because there's no verb, I use ma. When I say mahada. What are you eating? How do I say what are you eating?
Maza takulu.
I say mata takulu. Very good. How do I say Adnan? What is this?
Ma hada yaklu.
No, mahata. Mahata only is what is this? Satya, how do I say what are you eating? How do I say, Zahan, how do I say what are you eating? What are you eating? Hifza, how do I say what are you eating to a boy? So this is masculine.
ماذا يأكل
Mata yakulu is what is he eating?
ماذا تأكل
Very good. So mata
Sakib
takulu.
Chacha,
What are you
did
eating?
you
Mata
hear my
yak-
answer? I wasn't able to unmute.
No, I couldn't hear you, Zahar.
The answer is Maza Takulu.
Very good. Mata takulu is what are you eating? What is mata yakulu? Yakulu is he is eating. So yakulu refers to he. May I could ask Adnan, what is he eating? So I'd say mata yakulu. Okay, so that's the difference between ma and mata. So what's the answer to this question? And they asked, what is Ibrahim's punishment?
Salu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Very good. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. What's this answer? Zahan. And they asked, what is Ibrahim's punishment? What
Yes,
is this
Sakib
answer?
Chacha.
Yes, Zahan. What's this answer? And they asked, what is Ibrahim's punishment? What is this answer, Hifza?
Yes, Sakib Chacha. Wasa'u akhabahu Ibrahim.
وَسَأَلُوا مَا
Wasa'alu
إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. وَسَأَلُوا
Wasa'alu ma ikhabahu Ibrahim.
إِقَابُ
Ikabu.
إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ.
Ikabu Ibrahima.
Very good. Now try the whole thing. وَسَأَلُوا
Wasa'alu ma ikabu
إِبْرَاهِيمَ.
Ibrahima.
So, rather, how you have got to say this is what is punishment, what is the punishment of Ibrahim? This is how we would say it in Arabic. Punishment is before of, it has to come first. The punishment of Ibrahim. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. That's how it is said literally. What is the answer, Hifza? And they asked, what is the punishment of Ibrahim?
وسألوا ما إكاب إبراهيم.
Very good. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. They said, you all burn him. How do we say they said?
Kala. Kalu.
Qalu. Qalu is they all said. Qalu. How do we say burn him?
Tahrakawnaha.
How do we say you all burn him? You all burn is harriqu.
Jami'an.
Jami'an means together. That's what Jami'an means.
Okay, so you all is like that.
So Jami'an
That is
means
what I-
all of you together. All of you get together and burn. That is Jami'an is added detail. So it means that look, don't burn separately, but everyone get together. All of you together, make sure that everyone is there, and then you burn. That is Jami'an. That's added detail. That's an
It
adverb.
is important or it is not important?
Not important. What's important is hariku because it means everyone. So all of you burn. That is hariku. Hariku. What's the meaning of hariku?
Burn him.
You all burn. It's everyone. How do we say you all burn him? Say harikuhu. Harikuhu. Who means him? Harikuhu is you all burn him. So how do we say, Satya, you all burn him?
Qalu harriquhu.
Waqalu harikuhu. They said you all burn him. That him is who? What is the answer, Zahan? You all burn him. So let's just do you all burn him. How do we say, Zahan, you all burn him? How do we say you all burn him, Hifza?
Harikuhu.
Harikuhu. How do we say they said you all burn him?
وقالوا حارقوه.
Kalu harikuhu.
Harriku. So the ra has shadda. So it says harrikuhu. So Zahan or Hifza, who wants to try this again?
وقالوا
Kalu
حرقوه.
harikuhu.
Harrikuhu. So Hifza got it correct. Waqalu harrikuhu.
That is what even I said. Wakalu harikuhu.
No, it is not har. It is har. It is harri.
Harikuhu.
Harrikuhu. Okay. How do we say they ignited a fire? Or they kindled a fire? They lit up a fire.
Kadu naran.
Awqadu naran. How do we say he ignited?
Yaqudu naran.
Yaqudu naran is he ignites. They ignited, past tense. You say awqada. Awqada is he ignited. They ignited is awqadu. I put the wow. I take the awqada, which is he ignited, and I make it awqadu because they ignited. So how do we say they ignited is awqadu? How do we say they ignited a fire?
Awqadu naran.
Awqadu naran. Very good. So they ignited a fire is awqadu naran. So that's awqadu. How do we say they threw?
Alquhu.
Alqu. Who is him?
Al Khawwa.
So it is al kuhu. Okay. So what's the meaning of al kuhu?
True.
That is al ku is true.
They threw.
Al ku is they threw. Al kuhu is they threw him. So you all burned him. So harriku is you all burn. Who means him. It refers to him. So al ku means you all throw. Who refers to him. So al kuhu is you all throw him. So how you say they ignited a fire is you say awqadu naran, and threw in it Ibrahim. They threw
Fiha Ibrahim.
They threw in it Ibrahim. So they ignited is awqadu naran wa alqaw fiha Ibrahima. Why do I say fiha? What is it referring to in the sentence?
Ibrahim.
No, they threw in the fire. Ibrahim is thrown in it. It refers to fire. Fire, is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
No. How do we say hot fire?
Female. It's a female.
It is female because cold fire is narun baritatun. So we say baritatun, it is a female adjective. Nar is the exception. Nar is feminine. So that's why we say fiha. Ha means her and through in her. So we say fiha. If it was masculine, we would say fihi. The who, because it's fi, because it has kasara, it would be fihi. So if I say in the water, I would say fihi. In the water is a fly. Al-ma'u fihi at-tubabu. Okay, so in the water is a fly. At-tubab is what we saw in the third or fourth lesson. So if I say in the water, I would say fihi. But in something feminine, I would say fiha. Ha means in her. So her here refers to fire. So awqadu naran wa alqu fiha Ibrahima. So I only have alqu because Ibrahim comes later. So I either say Al-Qadu Naran wa Al-Qaw fiha Ibrahimu, or I can take Ibrahim out and I can put Al-Qawhu and throw him in it. It will not mean it will mean Ibrahim because we're talking about Ibrahim. So they lit a fire and they threw him in it. So that's what happens if I say fi al-quha. Okay, it mean Ibrahim. But here I say awqadu naran wa alqaw fiha Ibrahim. Who can try this full sentence, the full answer?
أوقدوا نارا وألقوه فيها إبراهيم.
Alqaw, you're saying Ibrahim, so you just say alqaw. So it is awqadu naran wa alqaw fiha Ibrahim. Who else can try? Zahan, what's the answer? You can say it here. Let's split it. Or Hifza, what is the answer?
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Very good. أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم. One more person try this answer and then we jump to Kahoot. So Zahan or Adnan or Afifa. أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Yes, Sakib Chacha. أوقدوا نار وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
This is actually ألقوا.
Okay, ألقوا.
Yes. What's the answer again, Zahan?
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Ibrahima. Awesome.
إبراهيم.
Okay, so now we will do short quiz on Kahoot. So just 1 minute. So everyone log on to kahoot.it and I give you the game pen in just a moment.
Sakib Chacha, my Google is not working, so can I join from the app?
Sure.
I have to create an account of mine.
You can also join as a guest.
I updated it completely. I update my phone and laptop to Windows 10. So it's not working at all.
Okay, however you find it comfortable, Zahan.
I have 1 minute. I'm just joining. What's the code?
I'm just sharing 1 minute. Okay, so this is the pen. You go to kahoot.it. You use game pen 49 25 73 6. 49 25 73 6 is the pen. Forty-nine 25 73 6. Sadia is first to join. 49 25 73 6. You've got to be quick because we're running out of time.
Sakib Chacha, I'm not able to join by any name.
Use something, Zahan. Use the dots which you tried last time. Okay, so E is you, Zahan. 49
Sakib
25
Chacha.
73.
Not E. I'm not E.
Okay, who is E?
I don't know who's E.
Okay, try. You also try to join, Zahan. You can use Chrome. Use Chrome in your phone. Use kahoot.it and use the game pen. You should be able to join.
I joined, sir.
Is in. Afifa is also in.
49.
Okay, someone needs to tell me who's E. Otherwise, I'll have to take you off.
Not me, sir.
Sorry.
Not me.
Okay, Zahan is also in. Okay, is anyone missing?
Yes, Rahila.
Rahil aunty is
What
missing.
is it?
49 25 73 6.
आखिर में ऐसा
Not in big.
We have 3, 6, 7. Okay, just 10 more seconds and we start.
Emma.
So I think we can start.
No, 1 minute.
I think so somebody's come out.
Afifa is not sure. Okay, Afifa is back. Just 1 minute, guys.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
But we'll keep going up. So you have to keep on. If I do all that, it may go up.
Okay, just 1 second, guys.
Sakib Tega Nahida auntie also hasn't joined.
Okay, Nahida auntie is also joined. I'm not sure she'll want to do the quiz, so we'll just give her a few seconds and we start. I'm just trying to figure out one thing. 1 minute.
Nahida auntie is not even in class.
Okay,
there are only 7 members and 7 people are there.
let's start. First question, how do we say the people gathered? Blue is Raja and Nasu, red Ijtama and Nasu, orange Ahana Ibrahimu. Okay, we have 7 answers. Whoever is left, mark quickly or this I'll skip.
1 minute.
Okay, it is Ijtama and Nasu, 5 correct. Raja and Nasu is the people returned. Ahana Ibrahimu is Ibrahim insulted. Okay, the answer we want is Ijtama and Nasu, the people gathered. Okay, Sadia, Hifza, Rahil auntie, Anil auntie, Afifa got it correct. Second question, Ibrahim insulted our gods. Blue, Ahana Ibrahimu alihatana. Red, Ijtama an Nasu alihatana. Orange, Awqada Ibrahimu alihatana. Need to be quicker, guys. We only have 7 answers this time. Ibrahim insulted is Ahana Ibrahimu. Ahana Ibrahimu alihatana is Ibrahim insulted our gods. Correct answer is blue. Okay, so same people got it correct and someone else also got it correct. So it's either Hazik or Adnan who got this answer correct. Okay. Next question. What is Ibrahim's punishment? Blue, ma Ahana Ibrahima. Red, ma Ummidu Ibrahima. Orange, ma Iqabu Ibrahima. You're asking a question, Sadia?
No, Sakib.
Okay. So what is Ibrahim's punishment? Is ma Iqabu Ibrahima. Orange. Okay, very good. I do not see Zahan.
I think that Kahoot is playing the game.
Okay, so Zahan has issues with Kahoot. It's okay, Zahan, no problem. Let's continue. Anil auntie is also doing well.
I marked all answers right up to now.
Okay, no problem, Zahan. The important is that you learn. Okay, so you seem to have learned the new grammar, the new verbs, so it's okay. So let us see if it works for you now. Next question. Burn him. You all burn him. So all of you burn him. Blue, hariquhu. Red, awqaduhu. Orange, alquhu. Answer is hariquhu. Burn him. Is you all burn him as hariquhu. What is awqaduhu? Awqadu is you all light up or you all kindle.
Ignite.
Ignite. Okay, so awqaduhu is you all ignited. What is alqawhu?
They threw.
Alqawhu is you all throw. You all throw him. Throw him is alqawhu. Okay, so awqadu is you all light up. Alqaw is you all throw. Who refers to him? Okay, Afifa got this wrong. Sadia, Rahil auntie, Hifza, Anil auntie correct. And someone else also got correct. Maybe Adnan or Zahan.
Sakib Chacha, can we just wait for a minute? I by mistakenly got exited.
Okay, quickly, Zahan. 10 seconds for you to come back. We'll go to the next question while Zahan tries again. Next question. They ignited a fire. Blue, ijtama'a naran. Red, awqadu naran. Orange, iqabu naran.
What's the yellow one, Sahabia?
Orange is iqabu naran. Blue is ijtama'a naran. Red, awqadu naran. They ignited a fire is awqadu naran. Red.
Sakib Chacha, I have joined with ZAH.
Okay.
In second.
Okay, Zahan. I think we'll only attend a part of the quiz, but it's okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay, Adnan is up. And who is down? Afifa is down and Adnan is number 5. Okay. So Sadia's first, Rahil auntie second, Hifza third, Anil auntie fourth, Adnan fifth. Good, Adnan. So Adnan is in top 5. Next question. They threw in it Ibrahim. They threw in the fire Ibrahim. Blue, ijtama'a fiha Ibrahima. Red, ahana fiha Ibrahima. Orange, alqaw fiha Ibrahima. Okay, everyone correct. So alqaw fiha Ibrahim. Now I'll give you an option, okay? So this is all of the lesson that I've taught you. So either we could end the quiz here, or I can teach you another concept, another verb, which you already know, and then we can do another question as well. So do we end the class here, or do we learn one more concept, one more question, and then we close the quiz?
We learn one more concept.
Okay, we learn one more concept.
Sakib Chacha, I'll have to leave. There are guests at home, that's why.
Okay, no problem, Zahan. Okay. Or Zahan, 2 minutes if you can stay, we close the next question as well.
Okay, I can stay for 2 minutes.
How do we say but? Or we'll skip the but. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped Ibrahim. How do we say this?
Allah nasara Ibrahima.
Allah who nasara Ibrahim. Okay. Nasara. How do we say you helped? Nasara is he helped. How do we say you helped?
Asara.
No. That is asara, that is present tense where you take the ya and you put alif. So you helped is nasarta. Okay, nasarta is you helped. Okay, with that we do next question. Everyone got this correct. Last question. I helped him. Now this is where you need to think. I helped him. Blue, is it raja'tuhu? Red, nasartuhu. Orange, taraktuhu. Blue, raja'tuhu. Red, nasartuhu. Orange, taraktuhu. Okay, very good. So I helped is nasartu. Nasara, what's nasara? He helped. Nasarta, you helped. Nasarta is you have, Nasartu is I helped him. And who is him? I helped him is Nasartuhu. Okay, with that, let's see the podium. Number 3, all correct answers is Hifza. Congratulations. Number 2, all correct again is Rahil Aunty. And fastest and all correct is Sadia.
Sakib Chacha, I think so you should add my scores as 2814 and 1316.
Yep, and let me reconcile your score after this lesson. So congrats, this was easy lesson, easy questions. So I just took direct lessons, direct questions and put them here. And all of you have been paying attention, which is why you're able to recall the answers. So well done everyone. I hope you enjoyed the class. With that we will close. Catch you all next week inshallah. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care and stay safe.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.
Wa yakum.